The city of San Diego is set to propose a new ban on homeless camps in areas where they might be a risk to public health and safety. The proposal is expected to be presented tomorrow to the City Council's Land Use and Housing Committee. CBS 8's Rocio de la Fe takes a look ahead at the proposed ordinance.
City parks like Balboa Park are among the locations that would be included under the proposed ban. Those for the unsafe housing ordinance say would make the city safer, while those against it say it doesn't help solve the problem. The city of San Diego is set to consider making homeless encampments in certain locations illegal.
This is an ordinance that will protect public health and safety by prohibiting encampments on public property.
Councilmember Stephen Whitburn's proposed unauthorized camping ordinance would prohibit people from setting up tents within 2 blocks of schools, homeless shelters, trolley tracks, and transportation hubs, parks, and waterways.
The encampments that we see on our sidewalks, in our parks, in the canyons, along our riverbeds are unsafe and unhealthy, both for the people who are living in the encampments, but also for the surrounding neighborhoods.
Whitburn says the encampments create a feeling of lack of safety among people and businesses in surrounding neighborhoods.
We want a city that feels and looks safe and healthy, and we can't do that with the encampments on the streets right now.
Whitburn says the proposal would only be enforced as long as there's shelter available for people to go to.
I think it's very reasonable when taxpayers are footing the bill for so many services to ask people to use them.
But homeless advocate Amy Zamudio, who spent decades serving the local homeless community, says the city does not have enough shelter and housing available.
We have Earl here who's age 68, and he has been waiting for 3 years for housing. He's done everything he's supposed to do. He has stayed in the shelters. He's been document ready.
I've done all the things asked for me to do. I've been properly said, haven't committed no crimes, haven't been to jail, anything like that.
Zamudio says city sweeps led to the deaths of these 2 homeless men who couldn't get into shelters. She worries there will be more lives lost because of the proposed ban.
So if we are talking about community safety and public health, we need a system that operates properly first before we even have a conversation about criminalizing homelessness.
Whitburn says his proposal would also establish a safe sleeping program where people living in tents can go. The proposed ordinance will be presented at City Council's Land Use and Housing Committee tomorrow at 1 o'clock. The public is encouraged to attend and participate. No registration is required. Rocio de la Fe, CBS 8.